Hello there, how are you doing today? I'm going to give you the instructions for this video. Read the direct questions, and change them to embedded questions using the prompts. Do it fast, and then check your answers. See the examples.
Why is Patterson's new book so short? I'd like to know why Patterson's new book is so short.
Is Maxwell's latest romance a page-turner? Tell me if Maxwell's latest romance is a page-turner.
Where can I find the latest issue of that magazine? Would you tell me where I can find the latest issue of that magazine?
Whose book is this? I wonder whose book this is.
When did Tolstoy write War and Peace? Do you know when Tolstoy wrote War and Peace?
Who are the authors of these short stories? I don't know who the authors of these short stories are.
What is that article about? Would you tell me what that article is about?
Is your brother a big reader? I'd like to know if your brother is a big reader.
Why don't you like entertainment magazines? I don't understand why you don't like entertainment magazines.
What is your favorite magazine? Tell me what your favorite magazine is.
Will our class have a party next month? Do you know if our class will have a party next month?
Would you like to get a cup of coffee? I wonder if you would like to get a cup of coffee.
Good job students. See ya next time.